Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. My name is Elliot Page, welcome to the channel. Today we have the Jordan 3 Blue Cement. Alright, so jumping straight into the pair, of course, this is a Nike box. They love to put their branding all over the outside just to make sure that it lets everybody who's walking past and sees this on your doorstep know that there is an expensive pair of shoes in here. Oh, I'm excited to see these. Yeah. Nice black Jordan 3 box. You can see that elephant print on the bottom, so jumping straight in. Red on the inside really makes it feel luxury, like you've just got something really expensive. Elephant print on the paper. Here we go. The Jordan 3 Blue Cement. These are looking clean in person. So the Jordan 3 Blue Cement actually released here in the EU and Asia. As far as I'm aware, it is a EU and Asia exclusive. Hasn't released in the US, and I don't think I've seen any concrete dates to suggest that it is releasing in the US. However, these released on June the 26th and retail for £165. Now, I definitely wouldn't count out a US release coming in the future. However, as far as we can see, this is all the information we got. Everyone out in the EU, as far as I know, we got these and the US didn't. Now, of course, the 26th had quite a few pairs of sneakers to go for, and I was actually going for the Yeezy Quantum Bariums. As 8 o'clock came around, I jumped over to Nike sneakers and tried to get myself a pair of these, and I hit, so I'm super happy about that. Now, this colorway of the Jordan 3 is also known as the Varsity Blue or the Royal Varsity Blue. Either way, Blue Cement is what it said on Nike sneakers, and of course it does share a lot of similarities to the Black Cements as well as the Red Unites, which released earlier this year. However, it does come with a few differences, and of course we're going to get into that. Now, of course, this looks very similar to the DJ Khaled 3. Of course, the blue, you know, whether that's a driving factor for the hype, I don't know. Either way, they sold out in Asia and here in the UK, as far as I'm aware. Starting off on the toe of the sneaker, you have that signature Jordan 3 elephant print leather, and just above from that, you have a smoother type of leather for the mudguard. Now, this smoother leather that wraps around the toe box and extends to the midfoot of the sneaker is different to the rest of the upper. And that upper comes in this blue, really nice feeling tumbled leather. And as far as I can tell, it's the exact same quality that you find on the Black Cement and the Red Cement Unites. You've got black laces with black plastic eyelets on either side of the sneaker. Now, if you're not a fan of those black laces, you also get blue and white laces included in the box. And I have a feeling black or blue might be my favorite options. Of course, this having a lot of black on it would probably go best with black. Now, just underneath those laces, you get some gray leather with a bunch of perforation holes, obviously for breathability. And just above that, you get the tongue of the sneaker, which comes in a very smooth leather with, of course, the blue Jumpman logo embroidered into the tongue. On the back of the tongue, it's blue, and as for the rest of the sock liner or the ankle area of the sneaker, it's all gray. As for the insole, it is solid blue as well as the Jordan logo in white. Now this is obviously the beginning of the differences you find on this pair to the Red Unite and the Black Cement. So of course the Red Unite and the Black Cement come with Nike Air branding on the insole. Moving to the back of the sneaker, you have that classic Jordan 3 pull tab with the Jumpman logo and Air just written underneath. This is another difference you have to the Black Cement and the Red Unite, where those have the Nike Air branding. I feel like everybody prefers the Nike Air branding, including myself. However, I don't think it's a deal breaker. I think it does make the sneaker look a little bit better. I don't know why, but I prefer the Nike Air branding. However, this one comes with the Jordan logo and the Air. Just underneath that, you of course have some more of that signature elephant print leather, which wraps around the heel of the sneaker. The midsole comes in white and black with, of course, that signature Air unit. And moving to the outsole of the sneaker, you have gray, white, and blue, with yet another difference to the Black Cement and the Red 3s is the Jordan logo as opposed to the Nike logo. I probably should know why that there's a difference between the Jordan branding and the Nike branding and why they put it on different pairs as opposed to others, but I don't. So let me know down in the comment section if you know exactly why they've done that. Now, as for sizing, these fit me true to size, so that is my personal recommendation. However, of course, these fit exactly the same as any other Jordan 3. So if that's something different for you, then make sure you grab your true to size. I really like the blue with the gray. I feel like it goes together so well. So if you really like this sneaker as well and you're trying to grab a pair and it didn't drop in your country, I would take a look at the aftermarket. The prices right now are not too bad. So you can get this, even though you are paying resale, you can get this for a relatively good price. But that is pretty much it for the video. Let me know what you think about these. Did you cop, did you pass, or were you just not able to get yourself a pair? Let me know down in the comment section. Of course, thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I will catch you in the next video, but until then.